I love this small but mighty book called Wolfpack by Abby Wambach. And if you don't know Abby, she is an Olympic gold medalist, soccer player, World Cup soccer player, female soccer player, and the wife of Glennon Doyle. So if you listen to the We Can Do Hard Things podcast, you hear a lot of Abby. But she is an amazing athlete and leader in her own right. And this book is tiny, but amazing. All the leadership lessons I try to teach in my courses, particularly launching into leadership, are contained herein. And I'm just going to read the chapter summaries. You were and always were the wolf. Be grateful and ambitious. Lead from the bench, make failure your fuel, champion each other, demand the ball, bring it all, find your pack, and it's time to change the game. Buy it, buy a copy for your daughters, have one lying around on your staff room bench. It's absolutely sensational.